At the Madlanga Commission, we heard from former Ekurhuleni city manager, Dr. Imogen Mashazi, who has had a very, very checkered history in her role as city manager. Now, just to put it in perspective, the city manager is like the CEO of the city. They're the people that actually run the day-to-day operations of the city. And it's a highly paid job, and you're meant to have a whole lot of skills, which apparently Dr. Mashazi has. But it wasn't clear if one listened to her testimony at the Madlanga Commission. What came out was some startling allegations against the senior officers from the Ekurhuleni Metro Police Department raping and violating young female subordinates in the Metro Police, having children with women against their will within that service. These allegations first surfaced in 2016 and were reported by the victims directly to the city manager, Dr. Mashazi. And for 9 years, she did nothing about it and then retired. She argued that she did do something. She introduced an empowerment program, which was meant to help women in law enforcement not become sex slaves. I kid you not, I'm not making this up. That was her plan to help these women. Her testimony was so bad that I thought Justice Madlanga himself was going to have a heart attack, because he really got into her unbelievably bad testimony and chastised her for doing absolutely nothing to assist the victims.